Snapchat at me. Let's see if I can catch it. Throw a Snapchat at me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I literally had to film a video super quick right now because the old Snapchat is back. It's been ages, like dinosaur years, that I've done a video about Snapchat. What are you doing? And I wanted to, oh my god. And I wanted to film this video for you guys in regards to the new Snapchat update. You heard me right, I'm super excited. It's kind of like the old Snapchat, it's almost there, but if you guys want to learn what the latest update is, please stick around and let's get started. So, as I mentioned earlier, the old Snapchat is back. A recent update came out this week, if not yesterday, depends on when you're watching it. I'm going to talk about this really quick because it is something that just happened. So, Snapchat is testing out a new layout that allows you to separate your chats and your stories, kind of like you did, back in the day. And by back in the day, I mean a couple months ago. And you still have the Discover side where you see all the popular stories, but you will be able to differentiate or divide stories versus chats. Some users have a subscription tab where you see the discovery page. So you're gonna have Discover where you can discover other people that are Snapchatting, and subscriptions, people that you have actually clicked subscribe to. So what can you find on your friends page? Right here you're gonna have groups divided, chats, and stories. Actually, switch that. Groups, stories, and chats. The reason why this update is so exciting is because Snapchat, as you know, received a lot of backlash for their last update, which kind of pretty much ruined it for them, I'm not gonna lie, and Instagram Stories has been doing a lot to catch up to what Snapchat used to be. So I'm not saying Snapchat might get back to what it used to be, even though I do love Snapchat, but it might work out. So if you guys like this new update, please go ahead and let me know down below. Something I wanted to squeeze in real quick is that Snapchat announced that they're gonna allow content creators to create lenses for money or something like that. I don't really know. I'll add a picture of it here so you guys can read more into it. But they are allowing content creators to grow on Snapchat. It might be a little late in the game, but hey, maybe try it out. So if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know down below if you like this new update. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. On Instagram, I'm trying a lot of things with Instagram stories, and with Twitter, I'm just really active on there. Oh, with that being said, please go ahead and subscribe to Everyday Stuff. That is my second channel. I used to refer to it as a vlog channel, but I'm actually just trying to do something different on there. So if you guys want, please go ahead and check out Everyday Stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!